Performance, capability, capacity, and fun allow you to take this Wrangler on-road and off-road. This 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sport in black comes equipped with an LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, a black 3-piece hardtop, rear window and wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 9,000 miles only on the odometer. It comes equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen display. There's also a rear backup camera. It comes equipped with dual zone temperature control, the 4-wheel drive command track system, rear 60/40 folding seats. It comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com and search for stock number 47726A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.